So the diagram shows how Netflix uses a distributed microservice architecture to deliver content to millions of users. When a user opens Netflix on their phone, TV, or console, the request first goes through an AWS Elastic Load Balancer, which distributes traffic so that no single server is overloaded. Then it reaches the API gateway, which acts as a single entry point to different backend services. These services include things like a sign up API, discovery API, and play API, each handling a specific task. The services may use a for faster responses and a database for storing data. There's also a stream processing pipeline using tools like Kafka and Spark to process large amounts of real time data, such as recommendation, search, and viewing history, which is then stored in systems like AWS S3, Hadoop, or Elasticsearch. All of this runs on AWS Cloud, making it scalable, fault tolerant, and capable of handling millions of requests at the same time. So, overall, Netflix works as a distributed system where different services run on separate servers but work together seamlessly, ensuring high availability, scalability, and smooth streaming for users worldwide.